If you haven't done so yet, you can use the Student Preview button to see a student-side view of your Blackboard course. So let's do that. Great. You can see that a lot of my options, such as the Edit button, are now gone. The key to this, though, is understanding that when you create a student preview, Blackboard actually creates a temporary student in your course. We'll show you that in just a moment. So once I've clicked Student Preview, I want to check my settings in order to use this to check my adaptive release. If your setting deletes the preview user and all the data, that means that that temporary user account that we'll be using in just a moment will go away. But if I keep the preview user and all data, which is the option that I keep here, and click Save, when I go to exit my preview, I'm going to go to Users and Groups, Users, and now you can see this user. It'll be whatever your username is, _ preview user. That is going to be my temporary student account, and it will continue to exist until I delete it by selecting the other option when I exit the preview mode. Here's the beauty of that. Let's say that I'm creating a group, and I want to create adaptive release groups. I'd like to add some students to that group. So I am going to edit this group, add my users, and you can see that my preview user can be assigned. Now my preview user is actually in my sample group, which means when I come to the area that I want to set adaptive release for, and I connect it to a specific group or to a specific student, I can actually tie it to that sample student account and be able to check if my adaptive release is working properly before my students show up. So there's just a quick tip so that you can check your adaptive release at any point instead of waiting for a student to check it out.